Welcome to the Chinese Learn English program. Years of classroom experience in public and private Australian schools. I also have extensive experience in teaching on a remote Pacific island, as well as teaching in mainland China. My name is Glenn Williams. This section of study introduces you to the types of words used in the English language. They are called parts of speech. We will start with the type of words called nouns. Is the name of a person, place, thing, or idea.
Hi, my name is Peter.
Oh, hello. My name is Susie.
So the names Peter and Susie are nouns. Melbourne, Dubai, London, Great Wall of China, Paris, Taipei. These types of words are also nouns. Names of places like Melbourne, Dubai, London, Great Wall of China, Paris, and Taipei. Cat, pen, log, bed, pan, box. Yes, these types of words are also nouns. They are the names of ordinary things like cat, pen, log, bed, pan, and box. There are no pictures for these types of words. The following slide shows examples of these types of words. Thought, thought, thought. Dream, dream, dream. Joy, joy, joy. Honesty, honesty, honesty. Hope, hope, hope. Calm, calm, calm. Love, love, love. Truth, truth, truth. Friendship, friendship, friendship. Freedom, freedom, freedom. So, a noun is the type of word that is the name of something. It is a naming word. Also, a noun can be identified by the word the before it, the word a before it, or the word an before it. For example, The cat. A cat. The log. A log. The egg. An egg. An apple. An elephant. Well done! You have finished this introduction to nouns.